Hey y'all, long time no see. Noni's hurt herself, or she got Lyme disease, so got her the appointment at the vet for Tuesday. So Tuesday we find out what that is. She might have hurt herself. She likes to run with the pit bull next door, the fence line, and she goes as hard as she can go, and she just goes too much. So she's got her wound. It's not open or anything, it's swollen. Like my corgis was swollen when he had Lyme disease, but we put stuff on her for ticks, so I'm, there's always that chance. We live in the country, so there are lots of trees, but she's not feeling good. And yesterday I had Botox in my stomach and got a nice bruise. Yuck.